honor awardee of Mapiles School of Leaders, our magna cum laude, Bautista Michael Bryan.
Power morning! Power morning to our mentors, speakers, fellow leaders, and to everyone behind Mapiles School for Leaders. Standing here today, our graduation day, as a magna cum laude graduate of MSL or Mapiles School for Leaders. It's truly an honor and a humbling moment for me. From day one hanggang po matapos tayo. Masasabi ko talaga na ang MSL or ang Mapiles School for Leaders ay hindi lamang training. Isa itong leadership transformation. Day 1 hanggang day 3, sinimulan natin sa project mastery. From project selling, brokerage, construction, at foreclosed properties. Dito namin natutunan na ang real estate ay hindi lang tungkol sa pagbebenta, kundi mastery ng produkto at tamang serbisyo sa kliyente. Day 4, we focused on social media marketing, kung saan natutunan namin kung paano gamitin ang social media hindi lang para mag-post, kundi para sa branding, positioning, at influence. Mas naging espesyal ang araw na ito because meron tayong special visitor from Apex Homes na patuloy na nagbibigay ng suporta sa atin. Day 5, we went deeper into strategic leadership. Dito namin na-realize na ang tunay na leader ay hindi lang magaling magsalita, kundi marunong mag-isip long term, magdesisyon ng tama, at magdala ng direksyon sa team. Day 6, we focused on social media marketing and execution. Dito kami hinamon na hindi lang maging creators, kundi leaders na may malinaw na mensahe at purpose. I am truly grateful and humbled to be recognized as top 1 social media content creator. Isang patunay na kapag consistent, intentional at may value ang ginagawa mo, may resulta. Day 7, we were honored to learn from our special speaker, ang pambansang negosyante, si Sir Gabriel Billy Dominguez. Through his dedication on recruitment, activation, and retention, pinakita niya sa amin na totoong leadership ay hindi lang pagkuha ng tao, kundi pagbuo ng kultura at pagdevelop ng leaders. And now, day 8, graduation day, we stand here not just as graduates, but as a leader ready to take responsibility. This journey would not be possible without the leadership of Dr. Joliver Mapiles, the CEO and President of Mapiles Realty. Palakpan po natin. Sir Joliver, maraming salamat sa inyong vision at sa paniniwala ninyo sa paghubog ng leaders na may prinsipyo at may malasakit. To our VP for Finance, Ms. April Mapiles, palakpakan po natin. Thank you for excellence, discipline, and steady leadership. You remind us that a strong system and strong values always go together. To all our Mapiles staff, palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong tireless support behind the scenes. From coordinations, logistics, technical support, hanggang sa araw-araw na operation. Hindi man kayo laging spotlight, malaki po ang naging ambag ninyo sa ating tagumpay dito po sa Mapiles School for Leaders. To all our speakers, coaches, and mentors, maraming salamat sa oras at wisdom and experiences po na binahagi niyo po sa amin. At sa aking fellow MSL leaders, to my fellow graduates, palakpakan po ninyo ang mga sarili ninyo. This graduation is not the ending. Starting point pa lang po ito. Dahil dalhin po natin ang mga natutunan natin outside this hall and into the real world. Let us lead with purpose, serve with integrity, and create real impact. Maraming salamat, Mapila School for Leaders. Supuin ang kahirapan. Congratulations to everyone.